Uh, Good morning, everyone. Please, I will introduce myself, Rian Suprasongo, from class 2A Mining Technology. In this video, I will explain about natural resources in Indonesia and their use. Are you familiar with natural resources? If not, then you are among the lucky ones because you are watching the right video which will discuss natural resources. Okay, what is the natural resource itself? Natural resources are resources that exist without any action of humankind. This includes all value of characteristics, aesthetic value, scientific interest, and cultural value. On Earth, it includes sunlight, atmosphere, water, land, and animal, such as the formation of minerals, coal, oil, gas, water, and others. The video itself will discuss natural resources on minerals, coal, oil, and gas. Okay, let's just discuss next. What is the mineral? Minerals are solid substances that are present in nature and can be made one element or more elements combined together. Gold, silver, and carbon uh, are elements that form minerals on their own. They called native element. Instead, ordinary kitchen salt is a chemical compound that is called rock salt. For example, rock salt or kitchen salt is a mineral form of cubic-shaped crystal. For its own formation, it is made directly from magma in the earth. Next is coal. Coal is combustible black or brownish black sedimentary rock formed as rock strata called coal seams. Coal is mostly carbon with variable amount of other elements. Coal is formed when the plus matter decays into fat and is converted into coal by the heat and pressure by deep burial over millions of years. Vast deposit of coal origin from wetlands called coal forests that cover most of the Earth's tropical lands area during the late Carboniferous and Permian times, like in Indonesia itself. However, many significant coal deposits are younger than this and origin from the Mesozoic and Cenozoic area. For resource and reserve in Indonesia itself, you can see in this table this is resource and reserve of mineral. But are you gonna different between resource and reservoirs? So resource is a natural mineral in the form of solids, liquid, or gas found in nature, contain one or more types of commodities, are expected to be obtained and have economic value and reserve in the share of the identified resource of economic minerals. Reserve is identified resource of economic mineral. Commodity can be obtained and does not conflict with the purpose of law or policy at that time or the value of deposit of mineral that have economic value are being calculated according to certain steps. So this slide we show you in minerals and like primarily gold, bauxite, nickel, copper, iron sand, mangan, zinc, tin, silver. In this line in Kalimantan, in Bangka. For Sulawesi it's nickel, in Kalimantan is bauxite, and this Papua is gold and silver. Okay, next is coal reserve and reserve. Coal resource and reserve can be seen in this slide and have resource 110 billion tons and 3 billion tons. And in so you can see Indonesian coal and production rate. Indonesia has a rank mineral and energy resource that can be used to create benefit in the form of investment opportunity, job, education, welfare. In Indonesia itself, coal production is very high and mostly for export, and mineral production itself we can also in this table, namely from 2009 to 2015, and for its own mineral production it fluctuates from year to year like copper, gold, tin, nickel, ore, bauxite, iron ore, and coal production. This is million ton and thousand tons. Okay, next is contribution of mining sector to national development is that revenue, investment, community development, and local employment. Next is the use in daily life. Furthermore, the use of mineral in Indonesia such as for electronic device, transportation, and others, and for coal itself in Indonesia such as it is still widely used as the main material of electrical energy, but after the existence of this new law, coal sales value can be increased such as downstream coal. Okay, now we will review about oil and gas. In Indonesia, oil and gas regulates by SKK Migas for licensing. And what is the oil and gas? One of the most needed energy production natural resource is oil and natural gas. Oil and gas are natural resources that are found stored beneath in the air of surface. Some are in the form of liquid and gas substance, and come from decaying plant and animal remains that become buried with layer of the earth and subject to heat and pressure over millions of years. In order to obtain optimal benefit from oil and natural gas, the experts have carved out a number of dichotomous processes according to needs of each aspect. Each aspect operates with different elements, so different types of oil and gas are left with. Thus, this expert found several important classifications to be used as the classification product. Okay, next is oil and gas production. On this slide, you are shown the production of oil and gas in Indonesia. We tends to decline from year to year because year to year this is exploitation. And to meet the national oil and gas needs, the government implements an important policy. So, the use of oil and gas in Indonesia itself is still dominant as the main source of energy, whether for transportation, industry, and others. Okay, this and part of this video about natural resources in Indonesia and their use from. Okay, thank you.